Have you ever walked into someone's home and felt instantly at home, relaxed, cozy, and warm? That is the exact feeling that I want my family to have when they enter our home, when our guests enter our home, and when people enjoy our vacation rentals like our little lake house here. Today I want to share with you all of the tips, tricks, and secrets that you can use to make your home feel warm and inviting, especially during these cold winter months. Let's get started. My first tip is to embrace textile layering. You probably know already that I am a huge textiles fan, whether it comes to throw pillows, blankets, area rugs, all of that kind of stuff. Layer that up when it comes to making your home feel cozy and making it feel like this big embrace. It's practical because it's colder in January, February, March, especially here. It is minus 45 degrees Celsius with the wind chill here today. So I'm here at our vacation rental, just layering it up with all sorts of cozy throws and pillows to make sure that our guests coming soon will be comfortable. Don't hesitate to mix and match all shapes and sizes of throw pillows, all textures of blankets. All of those different textures add to visual interest in your space to give it that cozy hygge vibe. Now you don't have to go all out. Like I said, I'm a huge pillow-aholic, so I've definitely gone all out in the past and just loaded up my sofa with pillows. You can be a little bit more minimal with it if you want, but I definitely recommend at least two 20 by 20 inch pillows on either side of a sofa with a little accent pillow, a lumbar rectangular shape on one side. If you are on a budget, making your own DIY throw pillow covers is a great idea. I will leave a link in the description box below to my favorite DIY throw pillow cover tutorial. Make something in a velvet or a faux fur to really embrace this cozy season. I also have some favorites on Amazon that are inexpensive as well, and I will link those down in the description box below for you too. Another budget-friendly and simple secret for decorating and making your home feel cozy: don't put away all of your holiday decor. You can reuse things like twinkle lights, some plain greenery. So I do like just using some plain cedar or eucalyptus stems in my home to make it feel a little bit more fresh. A touch of greenery is always welcome in these cold winter months. I like this centerpiece that I made from these little IKEA faux cedar trees and some moss. Something like this can really work from the holiday season right up until spring. Another way to make your home feel cozy is to opt for those light neutral colors. Maybe pop in some pastels or maybe even some browns to make it feel kind of nature inspired and cozy. I personally like using those neutral color schemes in the winter. I feel like fresh whites just remind me of sparkling snow. They make me feel calm after the holiday season because I feel like that can be very maximalist, and I kind of want to just pare down, organize, purge, and just enjoy a little bit more minimalism, as minimalist as I can get. But if you are a color lover like me, and if your home already has color in it like our rental does here, add in your favorites. Add in pops of navy blue. I love blue in the winter as well. It just reminds me of that crisp snow again. Or pop in some pastels, pink, kind of a nod to the coming spring. I love that too. So just use light, bright, fresh colors, maybe a good base of white and neutrals with your favorite pops of color to make you feel cozy and warm. Another secret to make your home feel cozy is creating a reading nook in your home. We have this one here, which I absolutely love. I wish we had something like this in our own home, and I might have to figure out how to do that. To do this, just arrange a comfy chair by a window in a corner somewhere in your space. Living room or bedroom is perfect for this. We actually used an outdoor chair in our little lake house rental because we knew it would last a long time. I love the size of this, and it's super cozy. You can layer it up with textiles like lots of throw pillows in your favorite colors, and then place a basket nearby with some blankets. I also love adding a table beside so you can have your cup of coffee or your tea and a spot to place your book when you're finished reading. This corner in our vacation rental is one of our guests' favorite spots. We get lots of comments about it, so I definitely feel like it adds to that cozy and inviting feeling in our space. Using nature-inspired decor is a great way to make your home feel cozy. So think about the things that you would naturally see in those colder months outside, like pine cones, frosty branches, evergreen stems, all that sort of thing, whether it's real or faux, bring that into your home to make it feel cozy and help your decor have so much texture and warmth. I love pine cones and using them as decorating in the winter. Very budget friendly, so you could just find these in the woods or just grab them from the dollar store or the craft store. Pop them in a bowl or a vase, place them on your mantle, or use it as a table or coffee table centerpiece, or create a DIY pine cone wreath. Super duper easy. Just grab a grapevine wreath base, some hot glue, put the pine cones on. Really easy and beautiful way to decorate your home. And I love how things like pine cones and frosty faux branches just bring that texture and that nature inside your space. Next way to make your home feel cozy is warm lighting and lots of layers of warm lighting in your space. And you don't have to rewire your space to add lighting to it. You can use things like candles, like flameless candles, table lamps, floor lamps. I really like this candle warmer that I found on Amazon. I will link it in the description box below. It's a really great alternative to candles. It's safer. So I did put this in our vacation rental because we don't want to have candles in here just in case. So with this, not only is it a beautiful accent for a side table, but you can pop a candle or some wax melts underneath this heat lamp. The heat lamp has all sorts of different levels and a timer, and then it heats up that wax, infuses your home with that cozy smell, but you're not actually burning a flame. If you're looking for a budget-friendly DIY idea to add nice warm candle glow into your space, you could also do something like this floating candle centerpiece I did over the holidays with a thrifted bowl, some water, some stems, and some floating candles. Another way to make your home feel cozy in winter and to have a little bit of fun is to add some winter-inspired artwork to your home, whether it's some sort of DIY. So last year or the year before, I played around with plaster of Paris and paint and made this textured heart-shaped art. So it was really fun to display through the winter and Valentine's Day, inspired by our Pottery Barn piece. I will link to this tutorial in the description box below. Really fun DIY. I would definitely encourage you to try. You could do any sort of shape you want, or put up winter-inspired art with snowy landscapes, mountains, forests, etc. Or one of my favorite tricks, and I have it right up here behind me, is look for a YouTube channel that plays art. So I love vintage art channels. So every, I think 15 minutes, this piece of art will change. I just went on YouTube and I searched vintage winter art and this popped up. I'll link this in the description also. Rather than this big black TV box, I can just stream this onto my TV at home here in our vacation rental, and it adds just that beautiful cozy ambience to our space. Now, this is a designer secret that so many interior designers and home stylists use all throughout the year, but especially in these cold winter months, and that is incorporating plants into your decorating. If you have no greenery in your house, it can feel sort of sterile and definitely feel cold, but adding just a few pops of green plants is a great way just to add that inviting feeling into your space, that fresh feeling. So you can do low maintenance options. So I really love things like succulents or snake plants. But if you have no green thumb whatsoever, or you're in a situation like this one here where I really don't want to ask our guests to maintain plants, faux greenery is totally fine. And I love it to give this space just a little bit more of a homey vibe, and you don't have to maintain these at all. You can add smaller faux plants to your mantle, to tabletop, to your bedside. You could add floor plants to bedroom, corners of living rooms. And I think that makes a huge difference in how cozy and inviting your space is going to feel. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope it gave you some inspiration on how to make your home feel inviting, especially during these cold winter months. Let me know which of these secrets you are going to incorporate in your home this month down in those comments below. I would love to hear. Winter is a great time to take a little bit of extra time to organize your home. I love the ski slope method. So I'm gonna leave a video right up here for you to watch next, where I explain that ski slope method so you can get organizing your home and starting the year off feeling light and fresh. Wishing you joy in your home today and always. See you in the next video.